Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexander, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can set up your aggregated events measurement. Now I assume since you're already here, you already know the importance of it and why you should install them. But basically, after the latest iOS update, we're going to have limited data from iOS users who opt out of tracking. And so far, for example, if someone comes on your website, views a product, adds it to cart, and completes a purchase, all of these events are going to be tracked. But after the iOS update, people who opt out will be able to track just one event. And what we'll do here is we're gonna set which events we want Facebook to track and their priority. So a couple of things you need to do before you set your aggregated events measurement. You're gonna need to verify your domain first, and how you can do it. You're gonna go to your business manager, then business settings, and you're gonna click brand safety domains and click add. Let's try test2.com. Here you can enter your domain URL, a domain, and you can see it's gonna give you three different options to verify your domain. With all of my clients and with my website, I have used meta tag verification. It's very easy to set up. You just copy this code here. You're gonna paste it into the head section of your website. Then come back here, click verify, and it should be ready. After you verify your domain, you're gonna go to Events Manager, find your pixel. As you can see here, I have a test pixel that we're gonna set up today. Find the pixel associated with that domain. Click Aggregated Events Measurement, configure web events. Find your domain, click on it. You're going to see here domain verified, manage events, edit. And here we're going to add the events we want Facebook to track. Now, as you can see, event slot field 0 out of 8. This is because Facebook has limited the events we can track up to 8. So we're going to click add event. So for most of you, the events that we're going to need to set is going to be the same. So it's going to be, first we're going to need to set up view content, then you're going to click add, again choose a pixel. The next one is going to be add to cart, again test pixel, and initiate checkout, and the last one is going to be purchase. Now, because we work 95% of our clients are e-commerce brands, so we use the same events for everybody. And the events that we need are view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. Now here what you're gonna do is you need to set their priority. So again, with the lowest priority is gonna be view content, then it's gonna be add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. So this is because how it's gonna work, as I mentioned to you in the beginning of the video, before, if someone comes to your website, they viewed content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase, all these events are gonna be tracked. But now, if people opt out, we'll be able to track just one event. So if someone comes to your website, views the content, adds to cart, initiates checkout, and purchases, we'll be able to track just one event, so just single event. And when we set their priority, we'll be able to track only the one which is with the highest priority, which in this case is purchase. After you do this, you're gonna click submit, yes, apply. And it might take up to 72 hours to make another changes to this configuration, and your ads may be paused after you wait for the approval. Now that's basically it. Very short video, guys, but I just wanted to share with you how you can set this up, because it's very important, and I believe you won't be able to run any ads before you set this up after the iOS update. But that's basically it. If you found any value, like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And if you're a business owner and you're looking to advertise, or you're unhappy with your results and you want to improve them, feel free to send me an email at alexander@titanagency.co.uk. And yep, thank you very much for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.